introducing the Hannay Nomad pushchair with your Matrix Cup car seat. Now, this is suitable from 6 months up until 15 kilos, which is about a 3 to 4 year old. As you can see, I've got the full rain cover on here, and it does cover over the whole hood, and the front opening allows you to get into your child, and you have got clips to hold that out of the way should you want to do so. It attaches around the front of your pushchair, just releasing that part off so it can pop up onto your hood if need be, but to take the whole thing off, Velcro around the back in 2 places will allow that to come off easily. Going on to the pushchair, I've got a solid ergonomic padded handle here that's all fully adjustable. Your hood is fully adjustable also, and the top panel comes off. 2 zips on the top here, so at the moment I've got blue showing at the top, but if I want to change the look of it, then all you do is just take the whole thing off and flip it over. So the choice is yours as to how you customise it. Underneath here, this is all see-through, and again, air vent, so if it's those warmer days. Going on to the inside of your pushchair, it's all fully padded, and that's a very nice soft padding on here. 5-point fully adjustable padded harness, and you have got fully removable bumper bar, and that's just by squeezing the inside, and that will come off easily. On the inside, a zip part will allow you to take off that padding on there, and you can wash that nice and easily if the child has made a slight mess on there. To do your recline, you have 2 straps on the back, and one of them says Hannay and one has a triangle, so pulling the triangular one down will allow that to lie flatter, and then to sit it up, pulling on the Hannay sign will pull that up as much as you would like. Fully adjustable leg rest, and that's just by squeezing the 2 buttons on the side, so keeping their legs out straight probably until about 12 months. Keeps it nice and comfy for them, and then as they get older that drops down, but it does give them that extra calf support. And your footrest is there. You've got swivel wheels on the front by just adjusting the grey button on the front here, and we're going to have swivel wheels for when we're going around shops because we need that manoeuvrability. But if we are going over that much heavier ground, so grass, gravel, cobbles or sand, lock off your wheels, it gives you much, much better suspension. Now, while we're talking about suspension, on the back of your pushchair you have 2 grey buttons, and that will allow you to adjust your suspension on that. So as your child gets heavier, gives you a heavier feel to it, makes it much better for the child as well. A nice large storage basket for when we do go out shopping. Just while we're down here, you have got removable wheels, and the way that it works is you've got a clip that covers over the centre part of your wheel, showing your silver button, and just squeezing that gently allows that to pop on and off easily. Popping it into position, and then you've just got that dust cap that goes over there and protects your wheel. Now I'm going to do folding down, and it's easier if you do have it on swivel wheels. It's just releasing off those wheels, 2 grey clips on the side, pulling up firmly with that, and the whole thing starts to go forward. And the way I find it easiest to do it is just holding firmly with your handle and your bumper bar, squeezing the whole thing together, and then what happens is it just locks off into the position on the side. Adjusting up your footrest makes it an even smaller package, and if I want to make it even smaller still, adjusting your handle down, and as you can see, that does freestand. The weight of this is just 6.5 kilos, which is extremely light for something of this size. To put back up, adjusting the handle up so you've got something to get hold of, and then your safety catch is tucked away where it's got that red arrow, and just pressing down firmly on there, flicking the whole thing out. If it doesn't go out automatically, just pressing down on your handle and your bumper bar will bring that back up nice and easy. To remove the fabric from your Nomad pushchair, first of all, pop off your bumper bar. That's just 2 buttons on the inside, just squeezing gently. That comes off nice and easily. Now what you need to do on the side of your pushchair, press studs will remove the fabric either side. just laying that on the inside. Hood will be next, and you do need to unzip the back of your hood, so just undoing that part. And then it actually slides up the frame, so all that you're doing is sliding that off either side, and then it should slip over easily over your handle. If you can't do that, you have got zips on the side, and then just press studs around the handle part itself, so just releasing that off will allow that to just slide over. So again, nice and easy. On the back of your pushchair, you have 2 press studs, again securing that into position, so releasing that off. It's now beginning to look like it's coming off better, and then just clips on the back that wrap around onto the forks to your handle. Releasing that off as well. And then you have 2 Velcro straps that are underneath, and you just need to release those off. 1, 2, and then finally underneath your bumper bar you have press studs, and just releasing 1, 2 from there, and then the whole thing will quickly and easily remove off. So once we've stripped off the fabric, leaving just your chassis, it makes it easier to pop on your matrix cup. And that just lines up with the openings and clicks into position easily. To take off, just as easy, squeeze the button underneath and lift.